Hello everyone, and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs Home Tech. Today we have another unboxing, and it's this little baby here. This is a hand grip for the Panasonic GH5. It's made by a company called Neewer, and I'll stick a link in the video description in case you want to check it out. And the idea behind this is it gives you an extra hand grip for holding your camera, so more stability, and also allows you to turn it easier without worrying about dropping the thing. Also, you can put a battery inside it. So we'll give you two batteries in your camera, one actually in the camera and one actually in the grip itself, and some extra controls if you need them. So with that, what we'll do the unboxing and we'll set it up and see what we think of it. Right, so yeah, okay, so basically, let's see what's in the box first. So what we've got, we have some disposal instructions. We have a customer support, so a thank you card basically, in different languages, and we have the instructions, and we will read that later. So that's that bit out of the way. Let's see the device itself. It comes in a bubble wrap and a plastic bag. I'll quickly show you around the box. I forgot to show you around the box. So it shows you the picture of a camera and the hand grip. The grip on the back and some information on the side in case you want to see what's in the box or see the outside of the box. So let's have a look. So you've got a screw to mount it onto your camera with a lock, so you just turn that and it locks into place. You've got a joystick which is the same as on the camera, and you've got your AF/AE lock and a slider, a dial, and some controls on the side like your white balance and ISOs, and an on-off switch. And the way I understand it is if you flick it up, these will work, the controls will all work, but if you turn it off they will not work. So if you don't want to use them, or your hand keeps touching them and adjusting things and you don't want them adjusted, you can just leave it off. So I'll probably just leave it off actually. And then you have a tripod mount on the bottom, which I will be using, I would have thought, once I've set it all up. And then a battery compartment, and luckily I have a spare battery. What's that inside? Oh, so we have silicone. So the way I understand it is you must make sure these are going in first. So pop that in, lock it up. The only downside that I've heard about is the fact that when you actually use this, and you're using the battery inside here first, when the battery goes dead, it won't automatically switch over while you're recording. It will actually stop the recording, which is a bit of a downer really. Apart from that, she looks pretty good. We're going to put it on my camera, the one I'm actually recording on now, and see what she looks like. Right, I've read the instructions. Basically it says you turn your camera off like so. Make sure your camera's turned off. Yep. You remove this little cover here. So just squeeze it in the sides. That's quite easy. The pins are exposed. Oh, take your mount off if you've got a mount off on your camera, obviously. There's a little rubber thing here, so you need to remove this. Yeah, so that the pins make contact, yeah, and then just basically screw it in. That's it. Make sure it's nice and tight, and turn it on, and that should be it. And all you got to do is you have to go into your settings, which I don't know how to do, so I'm going to have to read up on it. So you turn it on, go into your settings, and set it all up. Right, so I've had a read of the instructions, and basically it's up to you how you want to do it. So I'm going to do it this way. So go into your menu settings on your camera, go to the bottom spanner, this one here, and select battery use priority. It's already set on BG, that's how it came up when I first logged in, but you have the option to go to body, and the body is the battery inside the camera itself, or BG, which is the battery grip. So I'm going to set it on battery grip. It'd be interesting to find out what other people would set it on, but that's how I'm going to set it for now. I might change at a later date, but I just want to show you how easy it was to do, and that's it for that. So just come out, and that is set, and that is set for BG, as you can see in the top right. So it's showing a full battery, and it's set on BG, so battery grip. So with that, let's get to the final bit. Right, so that's quite easy to set up. I'm going to put it back on my tripod with the new battery grip, of course. Couple of seconds. That's it. Put it back on there. Do that up. That's it. So what are my thoughts? I think it's excellent. I think it's a really nice little product. I'm definitely going to be using it all the time. It's going to stay on my camera. It does make it a little bit bulkier, but then I knew that anyway. The idea is to have two batteries, so I ain't got to keep carrying about two batteries to put onto the camera basically. So yeah, very pleased. A little bit disappointed with Panasonic not bringing out a bit of software so that you could use one battery, then it automatically switch over to another battery while you're recording, but that might be a future thing. Yeah, love it. I think it's worth the money. Definitely going to be using it. Definitely gets my thumbs up, and hopefully this video will get your thumbs up, and if it didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.